Want to capture sharper, more detailed photos in just one tap? Here's how you can instantly switch to high resolution up to 100 megapixel right from your Samsung camera preview. To do so, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon. Here you will see a resolution picker that shows number like 12 megapixel. Tap it. Select 50 megapixel or 200 megapixel to switch to highlight resolution instantly. As the example, let's select 200 megapixel. You can also change the aspect ratio using the ratio icon. Here's the key point. You can still select 200 megapixel in any ratio, but to get the true full resolution, use the 3:4 ratio. Other ratios will slightly crop or scale the image even if it still shows 200 megapixel on screen. Once set, take your shot, and the phone will automatically save the photo in high resolution without extra step. That's how easily you can switch to 200 megapixel mode for stunning detail. Just remember that 3:4 ratio gives you the best true resolution. It's perfect for landscape, zoom in, or anytime you want to capture every little details. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.